Hello everyone, we are here with another video, and this time we will be discussing responsive search ads, which are one of the most commonly utilized ad copy format for the search campaign. Responsive search ads are a powerful tool in Google Ads that allows marketers to convey their message effectively without being restricted by the character limits. Unlike the traditional ads, responsive search ads provide flexibility by offering 15 headlines with 30 characters each and 4 description lines with 90 characters each. In addition to these, various assets such as the site link, call out, structure snippet, the phone call, and the image extension can be incorporated to enhance the ad quality. According to a study by Google, responsive search ads outperformed the expanded text ads by an average of 15% in terms of the CTR and by 9% in terms of the conversion rate. However, the performance difference can vary depending on the industry and specific ad campaigns. So now the next question is, what are responsive ads? Responsive ads eliminate the worry of character limit. They consist of 15 headlines and 4 description lines, each with specific character limit. These ads also integrate various assets like site link, call out, structure snippet, and the image. The next question that you should be asking is, why use the responsive ads? Responsive ads offer the advantage of extended character limits and incorporation of the multiple assets, allowing the advertiser to create more and engaging and informative ad content. They facilitate a dynamic approach to advertising by accommodating diverse assets. First is the mastering targeting. Efficient organization is the key to effective targeting. Divide your campaign and the ad group logically, aligning them with the specific audience segments. For instance, if you are selling both sports and formal shoes, create separate ad groups for each to tailor the message precisely. Second is to enhancing the relevance. Keywords are the heart of our ads. Incorporate target keywords and search terms naturally in your ad copy. For a store selling the organic skincare products, using keywords like natural skincare, chemical free, beauty enhances the relevance, reaching potential customers actively searching for these terms. The next is the emphasizing benefits and the USP. Your ad should highlight the benefit your products or services offer. Focus on what sets you apart. Your unique selling proposition for a fitness app. Emphasize benefits like personalized workout plans, real-time progress tracking, and so on. Your USP could be the inclusion of unique features such as AI-driven fitness recommendation and so on. The next is the power of testing. Variety is the spice of ads. Create a minimum of 2 responsive ads per ad group. Experiment with various ad copies and then the headlines and the description to identify what resonates best with your audience. For instance, test one ad copy highlighting discounts. It can be limited time offer against another emphasizing product quality. It can be premium quality product. The next is to harnessing completion. Don't leave any space unused. Utilize all available headlines and description lines to provide comprehensive information. Craft engaging headlines like explore exclusive collections and follow up with detailed description, reinforcing why your products or services are the best choice. The next is striving for the excellent ad strength. Google's evaluation system rates ads based on the quality and the relevance. Strive for excellence by ensuring your ads align with the user intent. Use correct grammar and then offer a seamlessly user experience. An ad for a travel agency could earn an excellent rating by emphasizing on reliability, your trusted travel partner, and by using the proper language. The next is maximizing the assets utilization. Enhance visual appeal with diverse assets. Integrate site links for easy navigation. Call out to highlight special offers such as to 24/7 customer support. Structured snippets to showcase categories. It can be the adventure tours or the luxury getaways, and captivating images representing your brand essence. By understanding the importance of targeting, relevance, benefits, and strategic asset utilization, you are well on your way to creating the ads that not only captivate but also convert. Remember, the digital landscape evolves. Staying updated with the latest trends ensures your ads remain fresh, engaging, and effective. Overall, responsive search ads are the recommended ad format for Google Ads campaign. They offer a number of benefits over expanded text ads, including better performance, less manual work, and more relevant ads. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.